Hi, it's Susan Woodcock here at Workroom Tech in Tryon, North Carolina, and I wanted to give you a heads up about some classes that are coming up in February, and the registration deadline is in January, so that's why I'm telling you about it now, so that you won't miss out on one of these great opportunities to take classes with an industry pro. So coming up in February 13 through 16, Nancy Letts will be teaching her pillows and cushions class. And in that class, you'll learn how to make knife edge pillows, Turkish corner pillows, neck roll or bolster, boxed cushions, waterfall cushions, and a lot more, like putting in invisible zippers, putting in standard zippers, making welt cord and applying it all in one step using a walking foot machine. This is one of our most popular classes, and I hope you'll register before the deadline, which is January 13th. For the February 13 through 16 class. So come plan to spend Valentine's Day with Nancy Letts here at Workroom Tech. And then January 20 through 21st, Deborah Cronin from Leatherwood Design Company will be here teaching a hobbled shades masterclass. Now the registration deadline for that class is January 20th. And Deborah, if you follow the Leatherwood Design Company blog, you know that Deborah is an amazing resource. She has so much information in her head. She can't wait to share that with you. And hobbled shades are one of the more difficult styles of shades to make, and there's so many variations on how you do the back, how you plan for the hobbles, whether you hobble to the repeat or not. And this is a 2-day class, so I hope you'll join Deborah February 20 through 21st. And again, the deadline to register for that class is January 20th. And then right behind Deborah, we're going to have Rose Marie Garner. And Rose is well known for her Roman shade methods and the beautiful quality Roman shades that she makes. And I'm sure if you follow Rose on Facebook, you've seen an example of this. And we're going to have Rose here teaching blackout, banded, ribbed Roman shades. And Rose will show you how to do not just a plain banding, but a double edge banding. So I hope you look on the Workroom Tech website at some of the photos from her last class. And in this class, you'll go home with a completed shade that is made using Rose's methods on a motorized wand from Pro Design LLC. So that's a excellent class. It sold out last time, and there's still a few spots left for you, and deadline to register is January 22nd, and the class is February 22nd through 23rd. And here's a great offer for you. If you want to come and take both Deborah and Rose's class back to back, then that night in between the two classes, I'm going to make dinner for you. So come and join us and stay over for both classes, and we'll have a nice dinner with the instructors and Roger and me, and we can hang out and just brainstorm and learn a lot about each other and our businesses. And Deborah and Rose are always so willing to share. So I hope to see you in February for Pillows and Cushions with Nancy Letts, February 13 through 16. The Hobble Shade Masterclass with Deborah Cronin, February 20 through 21st, and the Blackout Banded Roman Shade Masterclass with Rose Marie Garner, February 22nd through 23rd. Now, the registration deadlines are in January, so if you want to join us for those classes, I hope you'll register, and I hope to see you in 2019 at Workroom Tech. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.